Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about our trading sessions this week. I traded on Monday with all my Masterclass students. I didn't share my trade on Monday with everybody for free, but on Wednesday we took a beautiful trade. I shared this one with everybody for free in my Telegram channel. So if you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the links in the description down below. And you can always drop me a private message in Telegram as well if you're looking for guidance, if you need some help, if you're struggling on your way to become a consistently profitable trader. I have a lot of valuable stuff that I can share with you to help you get on top. So that being said, guys, Monday, oh man, we got caught up in a consolidation. We need to talk about that. I closed early, man. If I would have let this thing run overnight, it would hit the target, but yeah. Anyways, overall, let's go over the results real quick for this week. I ended up with 5% profit. It was really lovely. On Monday, I took a small loss, and on Wednesday, I took a beautiful win. So overall, we made 50K this week, 5%. I'm trading a $1.2 million account at the moment. It's time for another withdrawal. Yeah, so what we have in here, since the beginning of the year, guys, let's see, for the beginning of the year, already up 185% in like nearly 7 months now. Yeah, that's amazing result, 185% so far. As you all know, I started this account back in December 22. I'll load this thing up. I deposited $1 million on this one, and then I traded it. Started to trade this one back in January. Took the first trade on the 4th January. And yeah, right now we are in 185% profit, guys, which is beautiful. Alright, so let's get into the charts.
This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they're making an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description.
Alright, team, so this was Monday's trading, this is Tuesday's trading, Wednesday's trading, Thursday and Friday today. I took a trade on Monday and I took a trade on Wednesday. So let's see what we had in here on Monday, guys. So overall, we are in a big uptrend, guys. Market is moving up. But last week we had a pretty strong pullback, pretty strong reversal, and I expected the market to, this week I expected the market, to be honest, I expected the market to go down a little bit further, maybe even hit the 15,000 level, but yeah, market had other plans. But let me show you what I was thinking on Monday, guys, because on Monday, as you can see, we took out Friday's low in here and the market reacted pretty aggressive on that one. So I was like, okay, let's hunt the other side. Let's hunt Friday's highs. That's why I was getting in. And here, after we took out Friday's lows, market reacted pretty aggressive on that one. So I stepped into the game, and I was looking for the market to pull back to Friday's highs, because this is where I see the most significant high. Where I see a lot of orders sitting, and as you can see, the market did exactly that thing, but not on Monday, unfortunately. It took the whole Tuesday to take out the high, and I don't like to hold trades overnight, so I decided to step out somewhere in here. Let's go to the lower time frames. Let me show you the 5-minute time frame. Monday's trading. Yeah, as you can see, the reaction around Friday's lows was pretty significant. Market came back pretty strong, and on the pullback I decided to step into the game, and I wanted to hold this thing to Friday's highs, as I said, but the market was just ranging the rest of the day, was going up and down, and then at some point I decided to just get out. for me it was not really worth any more risk, because when the markets got up in here, I moved my stop to around 420, somewhere in here. This is where I've put my stop, and as you can see, the stop got nearly hit somewhere in here, and when it came back, I decided to get out. Took a $8,000 loss on that trade. If I would have holded that thing, man, you see that would have hit my target. But yeah, it's not part of my strategy to hold trades overnight. So yeah, that's where we got out. Maybe some of you have held this thing. I got out and couldn't make money on that one, but that's okay. And on Tuesday, I was not trading at all, because as you know, I was with my family in Poland. I visited my father. I had to spend time with my father and my brother, so I didn't took any trades on Tuesday. But then on Wednesday I had some time, and now let me tell you why I took the sell in that case. As you can see, on Tuesday we took out Friday's high, which was the last significant high, and man, look at the reaction over here. Boom, market came down, snapped up again, and then on Wednesday's market opening, the market came down super aggressively. Then overnight, Asia and London session, it was kind of like moving up again. But then during the London session, market came down, got below this one over here. But yeah, as soon as the New York Stock Exchange opened, the price was pulling down pretty aggressively. And for me, this was a sign of maybe this thing wants to keep pushing down, and maybe we are going to see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday more downward movement to lower lows and maybe hit 15,000. So I was expecting downward pressure, and I expected even bigger moves, but we didn't got it. Market pulled back aggressively on the weekly opening. As you can see, it bounced off of the weekly opening pretty strong. We had a lot of support sitting down here, which was built up in Monday. But I was able to get out with 80% of my position, so I took profits in here after we had this push, pulled back. I loaded it up. I told everybody I'm loading it up. I took another position. Stop was sitting still up here. And then we had this beautiful drop below the weekly opening, below Tuesday's lows. This is where I took profits. This is where I closed 80% of my position at around 15,430. So I took out 6% in here and still had 20% of my initial position running. Then I took a flight, was at the airport in Poland, in Warsaw. Yeah, I was eating a steak, stuff like that. Market was somewhere in here. Then I took the flight. Market pulled all the way back to stop me out at break even, somewhere in here. Yeah, this was pretty much my trading session for Wednesday and Monday, guys. We took beautiful profits. I'm really happy with this trading week. For today, I'm not going to trade. I'm going to be on a festival today with my friends, with my girlfriend, with some of my best friends. We're gonna party today and tomorrow. Gonna have a lot of fun. And yeah, we'll be back next week, guys. I hope that you guys have banked on some of these trades this week. I hope you had a profitable trading week. I hope you're all healthy and wealthy. And yeah, I hope to see you soon, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace!
Everybody knows, yeah, yeah, yeah.